record. And then, shit, I probably.
Okay, guess I'll start.
Okay.
All right. Our lesson is the candy bowl equality for grade 1. The learning outcomes for the candy bowl equality is for students to learn the concept of equal signs and to prove whether or not equations are true or false and explain how they came to that conclusion. While using candy as a tool to understand the concept of equality in a fun way, for example, this bowl has 5 candies and this other bowl has 4 candies. Are they equal? Why? In other cases, we involve addition and subtraction to the lesson. The perspective of this lesson is to teach students 2 number sentences are equal or not equal. Yet they are playing a game to figure it out, and these centers are listed down below in our PowerPoint. So the lesson proceeds by drawing out 2 cards with the equations listed in the cards. We put 1 card under each bowl and record the number sentences in our recording sheet that will be in the next slide. And then we figure out how many candies are in each bowl, and then we think, are these sentences the same or not, or in other words, equal? So like I mentioned previously, our recording sheet would be here, and in the next slide, I made an example for how the game would be played. So for our example, 5 plus 5 equals 10, 6 plus 4 equals 10. That is true because that is equal. 10 and 10 are an equal number. 5 minus 4 is 1, and 5 plus 4 equals 9, meaning that is a false statement because 9 is greater than 1.
Math topics 100. Addition from the textbook, it can be. I feel like I should. Okay. Addition from the textbook, it can be found on page 109. Developing understandings of addition and subtraction and strategies for basic addition facts and related subtraction facts. We worked on addition in week 2. The candy bowl is a way to model what the student is thinking and doing from the notebook set model. Subtraction. From the notebook NCTM standard, all students should understand various meanings of addition, subtraction of whole numbers, and the relationship between 2 operations. Page 119. Using the candy bowl allows the student to learn the difference from both properties and be able to. We learned this in week 2 as well. 1.0a, work with addition and subtraction equation 7. Understand the meaning of the equal sign and determine if equations involving addition and subtraction are true or false. For example, which of the following equations are true and which are false? 6 equals 6, 7 equals 8. 7 equals 8 minus 1, 2 plus 2 equals 2 plus 5. 5 plus 2 equals 2 plus 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5 plus 2. Which is a form the common standard core standards lessons.
Common Core Standard Analysis. The hook and objective lessons show the Common Core Standard 1.0a.7, and it asks for the students to show they understand equal signs. The lesson matches the standard well because it shows if an equal sign is true or false, and also teaching that ties mean equal. The student share lesson shows students if the problem they were given is true or false by giving them 2 problems, explaining what they did to get the answer, and see if they equal to each other. This lesson matches the standard well because it teaches students what equal can also mean with true and false. The student share lesson matches the standard 1.0A.7 well because it shows the equal sign works and it teaches the students how to show their work. The Common Core content standards are 1.0A.C.6 and 1.0A.D.7 in MP3. Critique and analyze the lesson. As a teacher, I understand the lesson well. I know how to tell if a problem is true or false through an equal sign. By seeing the way these lessons teaches students, it makes it even more easier to follow and understand. This lesson gives opportunities for students to learn and practice how to show their work. It also helps students learn. I'm so sorry. Gives opportunities for students to learn and practice how to show their work. It also helps students learn that the equal sign means true and false. The lesson provides the opportunity for students to be engaged with games and group work and shows them the importance of showing their work.
All right.
Is that it?
That's it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Think. Oh, I almost exited out of the Zoom. Oh, I almost did it again.